Nigeria Customs Service plays a crucial role in facilitating trade, ensuring customs compliance and promoting economic growth, while safeguarding public safety. One outstanding officer of the Nigeria Customs Service who has made significant contributions is Controller Dera, the area controller in charge of Tinkan Island Port. With his exceptional leadership and dedication, Controller Nandi has become a catalyst for trade facilitation, customs service, and economic growth in Nigeria through brilliant intervention and bold initiatives. Controller Nandi has spearheaded various initiatives to enhance trade facilitation in Nigeria. Recognizing the effective customs processes are essential for promoting international trade, he has implemented reforms aimed at streamlining procedures, reducing bureaucratic bottlenecks, and enhancing transparency.
I have declared in Tinkan that 2024 is the year of stakeholders. We believe that they are going to reciprocate this kind gesture from us that we have done in order to offer them service delivery by paying appropriate duty, making correct declarations, and being generally compliant.
Under his leadership, the Nigeria Customs Service has embraced technology-driven solutions such as the single window system to simplify and expedite customs clearance processes. These efforts have not only improved the ease of doing business, but also attracted foreign investment, boosting Nigeria's position in the global trade landscape. The gallant controller has also been instrumental in transforming the customs service into a highly efficient and professional organization. Through his visionary approach, he has championed capacity building programs for customs officers, emphasizing the importance of continuous training and knowledge enhancement.
So we should be proactive in some of our decisions in attending to this. Then we also say that come to work on Saturdays and Sundays and do away with the Owambe mentality of every weekend being the period for us to shut down the port. We are shutting down a port where shipside activities are going on daily basis. In the night, in the daytime, weekend, Saturday, Sunday, we are discharging cargo from the vessels. Yet, on Saturday and Sunday, we shut down the ports and go home, only for us to come back on Monday morning and meet congestion in the port. So I want to suggest that if all of us will agree that we are going to optimize weekend operations, it's going to help us. Then working hours, ports don't sleep. When they're sleeping in Nigerian ports, the ports in China, in Europe, and America are working.
By equipping officers with the necessary skills and expertise, he has empowered them with effective combat smuggling, illicit trade, and other custom offenses. Controller Nandi has also fostered a culture of integrity, ethnic, and accountability within the Nigeria Customs Service, ensuring the customs officers adhere to the highest standard of professionalism and service excellence.
Nigerian economy is an import-dependent economy. Therefore, we cannot neglect issues of internally generated revenue. We must emphasize it, but like I have already declared, 2024 is the year of stakeholders. So we are going to match revenue generation and collection side by side with service delivery.
Controller Nandi's relentless efforts to improve customs operations have significantly contributed to Nigeria's economic development. By implementing modern custom practices, leveraging technology, and strengthening collaboration with other government agencies, has facilitated trade flows, reduced clearance time, and minimized trade costs. This has not only boosted revenue generation for the government, but also stimulated domestic production, enhanced competitiveness, and attracted foreign direct investment.
Badging has been turned into a revenue function. So now you see people paying as much as 450,000 naira, 500,000 naira to badge cargo, when that process should have been eased to move cargo out of the port through the waterways. It is now a commercial process where everybody is feasting to make money. So CGC, sir, I would recommend that you liaise with the Minister of Blue Economy to make sure that badging becomes a regulatory process rather than a revenue-yielding process for Nigerian Ports Authority and other people.
As a strategic and resourceful officer, there's no doubting his track records, which speaks volume. What he've mentioned is his positive contribution during the port reforms program of the federal government, accumulating in the port's concession. Between 2005 and 2006, his role as the then public relations officer of the Nigerian Customs Service, a Papa Command, highlights his impeccable sense of professionalism, which helped to build an enviable reputation for the service. Every champion is quick to spot others and acknowledge good works. This reflects in Dera's acknowledgement of the giant strides of the Controller General of Customs, Bashir Adewale Adene, especially in initiating the idea of authorizing economic operators with the aim of rewarding compliance and trade forwarders, ensuring that Tinkan Island Port makes remarkable progress under his watch. In a move to put a round peg in a round hole and further reward good work with more work, the CGC appointed Dera as the chairman of the 48-hour cargo clearance committee at the port to ensure quick evacuation of cargoes from the port.
Nigerian Ports Authority, right inside this room, have pledged to assist by providing security along the corridor, and they're already doing that. In fact, Lagos State government is already doing that. Yesterday, I held a meeting with some of the people to clear people from this road who constitute obstacles to movement of trucks. MP also pledged to provide light along the corridor. Now, those of them, the airway people who manage our scanner, have been working with us in the night. TICT that provides containers to be scanned have been providing containers in the night. Other government agencies, particularly those that are involved in seaside operation and enforcement, are already used to working in the night. NDLEA, Port Health Authority, everybody. They're already working.
On other vital factors responsible for his successes is that Controller Dera Nnamdi always ensures stakeholders are well engaged to strengthen collaboration, as typified by his pioneering effort on fostering bilateral ties, revenue generation and national security between Nigeria and Benin Republic in 2023. Indeed, Controller Dera Nnamdi's contribution to trade facilitation, customs services, economic growth, and public safety in Nigeria have been exceptional. His forward-thinking approach, commitment to excellence, and emphasis on technology-driven solutions have transformed the Nigerian Customs Service into a beacon of efficiency and professionalism. Through his visionary leadership, Controller Nnamdi has not only facilitated trade and economic growth, but also safeguarded public safety, making him an outstanding officer and a true asset to the nation.